is the receiver of the tithe. We pay it here, but is there in heaven to receive it. It is not the pastor that receives your tithe. It is Jesus who receives your tithe. What will pastor do with your tithe? Since we came to Goshen here, I've never entered where they account money because it is not my business. The church is not interested in your tithe. And for you to understand that before you came to this church has been surviving. So it is not your tithe that makes this church. Your tithe is to tie you to God. Tithe ties you to God. Jesus himself is the receiver of the tithe. We pay it here, but is there in heaven to receive it. It is not the pastor that receives your tithe. It is Jesus who receives your tithe. What will pastor do with your tithe? Since we came to Goshen here, I've never entered where they account money because it is not my business. The church is not interested in your tithe. And for you to understand that before you came to this church has been surviving. So it is not your tithe that makes this church. Your tithe is the receiver.
Tonyo, nyakablome Bishop Abioye. Nyakablome Bishop Abioye le. Bishop Abioye banade. Tithe enuwolia ke mihena de church home ya. Manye yo pastor yo hone. Obe Yesu ante hone direct. Nyama glom Bishop Abioye le na miwema. Kristo to. Nyama nyatepenya wonye. Alo alakpae. Banade ya ke le church home ya. Ne yi le church woma. Fike wo hona ega nujojo Kofi Ama brother view Joda view miba amakela left amakela dongo ble mi akwa tight ble anuna ke mi ona the church home ya ebe ya manyi yo toyo me yo pastor toyo ayina Yesu bo direct ebe ya fi kra wo khna garo le church home the treasury ya yi mo ifi ma fra po aba fi ma manyi ifo business yo lenya yi blo pastor ya le newo no le gahna na mi wonu jojo vo le church ya yo le akhlamade pastor me fit da microphone ande aba ide fi ma be le gahna pomore aloma blama ça mete ibo vonde am le fima le supervision wonne le laissez-moi am le fima le supervision wonne ye no le gavoa pastor me vous me be danedo ye pastor ko na ina na fama c'est ide no le gavoa de pastor me vous me be danado ko ina na fama ta no le gahn ye am be fima wa yo bena it is not his business. Yes, it is true. Many of business you never have a hlango. To a queen banade, I am not glomau and then choga vane, no acquire comono abedu. Me trust that. Malakotation nago, then abandoned. Pastor Bishop Abioye, Niake Glola, Allah Badamulano. Trust that.
The receiver of the tithe. We pay it here, but is there in heaven to receive it. It is not the
Abanade, Mihena nu wolia taitia, Mihena de afisia le anyibanji, vo Yesu le jifu ke hone. Bibla ya. Bibla ya to Matthew fa agbala. Vado Johannes fa agbalaji, fima Yesu fonfo le direct. Aloma blama. Yeah. Johannes 20 John. Yeah. Voila. These are the four gospels. Judodo nyu kokia abalesi Matthew blene, abalesi Marco blene, abalesi Luca blene, Luca nglene, abalesi Johannes nglene which le Bible mia afie ye Yesu fonfo le direct. Fika ye Yesu blomna mi to tight bena. Bishop Abioye fika ye Yesu aglodo le Matthew fa balama le Marco fa agbalama le Luca fa agbalama lo alo le Johannes fa agbalama banade mi chonu wolia o vena manyanye Yesu na ma hodmo ye pastor elava no mi ablama mi trust that now
is the receiver of the tithe. We pay it here, but is there in heaven to receive it.
Ni khene la fia enu wolia ebe mi oke le church ya de church chop amabi wadi mi khena nu wolia la fia vo Yesu ale jifu ye ya honezerka le bobomo yo physically yo ni to pelanya.
It It is not the pastor that receives your tithe. It is
Abamanyo pastor we hona tithe yolo. Vomi sanyanya o block to tithe until the Bible on that. Abanade, bring the whole tithe into the storehouse, that there may be food in my house. Ni he nu fe ewolia ukata yi nu jirado fola na wanye nu dudu le afanyama. Mawo papiadi according to nyanto Kristo to adefi kenya mawo papama church kwa ma kenya mawo famu ni no yoyoma pastor enya mawo famu kana nu dudu la no mawo papia me ade ma church fama kule ma pastor ma fama yo ma mnya bion la to no mila se nu so mile ma bade abanade mi hanu wo fa ewolia okata yi nu jirado fola na wanye nu dudu le afanyama mi cho asia dom po abe nyamavu jifonu eye nya madudu yayira afode niaji wa gbo ema oha Yehovah Zebaoth yegule. Bring the whole tithe into the storehouse, that there may be food in my house. According to you Christians, where is the house of God? The church. Who is the man of God according to you Christians? The pastor. So the house where the pastor lives, in another word, is also the house of the man of God. So the house of God, if you want to accept it that way. So the tithe, Jesus does not receive any tithe there in heaven. It is you, the pastor. Mia pastor we hona nuwolia le hamavio sise duna. Yesu adekama honim. Allah ba nkubia Allah ba kwema Allah ba apacho kaka. Yema Bishop Abioye avatwe makamo le nkubia njine nama. Vode amakela te akwanya benade Allah pa dame wole. Yenyalo yefime esesiama ni reji.
Jesus who receives your tithe. What will pastor do with your tithe? Since we came to Goshen here, I've never entered where they account money.
Abe chokeke resia yikiyo bado Goshen. Eche wo pe gbedo bo afike ole. Wo yo na fiema be Goshen, mo Bible Goshen lo. Goshen edele Egypt. Fime Israelio onawo anyigban lo be no. Le pe alafa en black tonke ono Israel Egypt according to the Bible. Goshen anyigban jo no le Egypt. Vomo fime ma blamolo. Abe choyi yo chokeka gakeme yo ba no Goshen na fima de. Yima yida fisi wo kana gadwa yima fima kpo. Me yifima kpo voade ame le fima le gahle de ame le fima le gbokpo no pastor kpo o le mu jojo la church ko si o le mu jojo la church mo ye pastor de mi twa ko bana 1 million de francs CFA 1 million de francs CFA ye pastor avec des enveloppes mo ye ha anya kekelo le mu jojo ma de ye pastor have a jogama c'est dalo que pastor have a jogama automatically no hlega ke voa ga adola wo 1 million de francs CFA aloma blama. When they were doing the offering, the pastor also paid, and assuming that the pastor paid 1 billion Ghana cedis, he put it in an envelope and put it in the offering bowl. So tactically, after the counting of the offering, the money must be more than that 1 million Ghana cedis or 1 billion. The money that they are going to get in all must be more than what the pastor alone put in the offering bowl. This is what I'm trying to mean. But do you know, surprisingly, after the counting of the money, what they got as the total was not even up to what the pastor alone dropped into the offering bowl. What happened? Those who count the money stole part of it. Those who count the money stole part of it. But when I call them Jojo Madi, pastor ha ever on Jojo Ade, a gake pastor of a Joade, Kiwo Lega Jojo Kewa, Mudde a gake pastor of a day that a new Jobana, a Gakata with the pastor and the Catono, look at Nicola Leporfima. If your mamma could not gach and the church woman, Ufina de Ufine, Dana pastor ya Boblomani, Fie Unona a ga Unona a gach and where you may fima boadi. I'm le fima le bopone. No, les voix, autre que dans la vous menez, va toujours, c'est
It is Jesus who receives your tithe. What will pastor do with your tithe? Since we came to Goshen here, I've never entered where they account money because it is not my business. The church is not interested in your tithe. And for
the church is not interested in your tithe. Obna the church here, many offer tithe into church here, many here offer tithe. Tithe kill the church home. Over many here the church you. No man here the church you. Look at time, my wallable. Bring the whole tithe into the storehouse, that there may be food in my house. God is saying that bring it so that there shall be food in his house. And you are then saying that it is not needed. So, Pastor, do we have to listen to you or we have to listen to your God? Me, Reggie.
You to understand that before you came to this church has been surviving. So it is not your tithe that makes this church. Your tithe is to tie you.
Barake hamavio kumale. Ukata ochaka tito geruduma. They believe what this man is telling them. Look at them. Me, nanya nyamale fima pastor abegnoya. Chubuma maja nyama tithe hego. Nela bananu here Yesu on it directly. You are saying that when we pay tithe, Jesus receive it directly. Then I will no longer pay the tithe in the church. I will pay it at home so that Jesus can take it from my house. I won't come to the church and pay it. If it were me, church Bishop Abio Yefu Hamaviade, Nimagala Tithe Hugger, a new Wulia, Nimaga Hugger, a church of woman. But oh, never mind her new Wulia, but it document the game of Lopuma. I dare a colonial Honyama. I do banana Yesu Manade, Yesu, a new Wulia Malafimalo Bakwe. Number church a cacat bova Yesu Bakria, fine, number chair one you don't want to Luvia Awella Boboma, or Tony Vogaka Bohamu Viofun Tumanda, Umale Clip Vomalia Goma Sebu.
To God. Tithe ties you to God. Jesus himself is the receiver of the tithe. We pay it here, but is there in heaven to receive?
Alapai, da, Ntuya, Eblemisi. Aha, Eblemi. Da, me, Reggie. Amaya, Eblemilo.